Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared what is the meaning of single and double underscore before an object name. In Python, the use of single and double underscores before an object name has special meaning and serves as a naming convention that conveys certain intentions to developers. Here's what they mean. 1. Single underscore before an object name. Example. Example. This is used to indicate that the object is intended for internal use only within a module or a class. It's a convention to signal that the object is not part of the public API and should not be accessed or modified externally. However, it's not enforced by the language itself and is more of a convention among Python developers to treat such objects as private. For example, 2. Double underscore before an object name. Example, example. This triggers name mangling in Python, which means the object name is altered to make it difficult to accidentally override or access from outside the class. The object name is mangled by adding a prefix with the class name followed by 2 underscores. This is often used to create class-specific behavior or to avoid conflicts with subclass names. For example, it's important to note that the use of single or double underscores before an object name is a convention and not a strict rule enforced by Python itself. However, following these conventions can help communicate the intended usage of objects in your code and promote good coding practices. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.